Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendz TV. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the year, the 2026 Lexus NX. Lexus has been raising the bar with their NX lineup for years, and this latest iteration pushes the envelope even further with its design, technology, and performance upgrades. If you're in the market for a luxury compact SUV, you're going to want to stick around because this review covers every aspect of the car, from its exterior and interior to performance and pricing. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the front of the 2026 Lexus NX immediately commands attention. Lexus has taken its signature spindle grille and evolved it into something more aggressive and modern, stretching wider and lower, giving the vehicle a sportier stance. The grille is flanked by sharp, sleek LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add a sense of sophistication and futuristic appeal. The daytime running lights are intricately designed with a striking L-shaped motif, which is now sharper and more angular than before, making the NX instantly recognizable even from a distance. Moving down, the front bumper features sculpted air intakes that improve aerodynamics and add a touch of athleticism without feeling overdone. The hood itself has subtle yet purposeful creases, giving the SUV a sense of motion even when parked. Overall, the front design is bold, aggressive, and modern, perfectly balancing Lexus's luxury ethos with a contemporary edge. From the side, the 2026 NX continues to impress. The body lines are sleek and fluid, giving the SUV a coupe-like profile while maintaining a strong and muscular presence. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, enhancing the sporty aesthetic, and the pronounced wheel arches house large alloy wheels that add to the overall athletic stance. Lexus offers multiple wheel designs, ranging from elegant 18-inch options to sportier 21-inch alloys that really elevate the look. The character lines running along the doors are subtle but effective, giving the side profile depth and dimension. The door handles are flush-mounted, contributing to the clean and aerodynamic design. Side mirrors are now slimmer and more aerodynamic, with integrated LED turn indicators. Whether you look at it from close-up or from the curb, the side view conveys a sense of motion and elegance that is hard to ignore. The rear of the NX carries over the boldness from the front while introducing new elements that give it a more futuristic look. The taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle in a continuous light bar design, which has become a signature trend in modern Lexus vehicles. The L-shaped lighting motif is carried over here as well, reinforcing the brand's design language. The rear bumper is sculpted and houses dual exhaust outlets that add a sporty touch, while the subtle roof spoiler not only enhances aerodynamics but also adds to the SUV's aggressive stance. A rear diffuser is integrated into the lower portion of the bumper, emphasizing the performance-oriented aspects of the vehicle without being too flashy. Overall, the rear design is clean, modern, and very much in line with Lexus's commitment to sophistication. Interior. Moving inside, the 2026 NX offers a cabin that is nothing short of luxurious. Step in, and you're immediately greeted by high-quality materials, including soft-touch leather surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and available wood trim that exudes a premium feel. The dashboard is driver-focused, with a large, floating infotainment display that dominates the center stack. Lexus has upgraded its infotainment system, featuring a responsive touchscreen with improved graphics, haptic feedback, and a simplified user interface. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity are standard, and higher trims offer a premium Mark Levinson sound system that delivers rich, immersive audio. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with multiple power adjustments, heating, cooling, and even massage functions available in higher trims. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with a blend of luxury, ergonomics, and technology, ensuring both driver and passengers enjoy every journey. Cabin space is generous for a compact luxury SUV, with ample legroom and headroom in both rows, while the rear seats can be folded flat to provide a versatile cargo area. Ambient lighting and customizable settings elevate the mood inside, giving the NX a truly modern and high-end feel. Performance. Under the hood, The 2026 Lexus NX offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to different driving preferences. The base model comes with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers a balanced combination of power and efficiency, making it perfect for daily commuting and highway driving. For those looking for more performance, Lexus offers a hybrid variant that pairs the turbo engine with an electric motor for improved fuel economy without sacrificing power. The NX 350 hybrid is particularly impressive, offering smooth acceleration, immediate torque delivery, and a quiet, refined driving experience. All-wheel drive options are available across most trims, providing added stability and confidence in various driving conditions. Lexus has also reworked the suspension for the 2026 model, striking a balance between comfort and sportiness. The ride quality is smooth over rough surfaces, yet the NX still feels planted and responsive in corners. Steering is precise, and braking performance is strong and predictable. The result is a luxury SUV that is not only comfortable and refined but also engaging to drive, making it one of the more versatile vehicles in its class. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Lexus NX sits comfortably in the luxury compact SUV segment. The base NX 250 starts at around $42,000, which is competitive given the level of standard features, quality, and technology offered. The NX 350 with the turbocharged engine starts closer to $47,000, while the hybrid NX 350 starts at approximately $49,000. Higher trims, which include advanced driver assistance features, premium interior upgrades, and larger wheel options, can push the price into the mid-$50,000 range. While Lexus is not the cheapest option in this segment, the brand's reputation for reliability, resale value, and luxury refinement make it a compelling choice for buyers who want a blend of comfort, technology, and performance. So, wrapping up, the 2026 Lexus NX is a remarkable SUV that combines bold styling, luxurious interiors, and impressive performance into a compact and versatile package. From its aggressive front fascia to the sleek side profile and sophisticated rear, it's a vehicle that commands attention on the road. Inside, the cabin offers a blend of comfort, technology, and refinement that few competitors can match, while under the hood, the NX delivers capable and efficient performance across multiple powertrain options. Whether you're commuting in the city, heading out on a road trip, or navigating winding back roads, the NX is ready to provide a confident and enjoyable driving experience. Pricing is competitive, and with Lexus's reputation for quality and reliability, it's a smart investment for anyone seeking a luxury compact SUV. That's it for our in-depth look at the 2026 Lexus NX here on Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth coverage of the latest cars and SUVs, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new NX and which Lexus model you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.